Alright, good morning guys. It's Nick with NK Landscaping again as usual. We are going to a job today. You've seen this job a few times before. We're going to be installing some Belgian block. So Kurt's going to go take the dump trailer, get some redstone. We're going to be topping that off. But me and Fitz are going to get this hooked up, get the cement mixer loaded up in here. We're going to get to work. So I'll see you in a second. Alright, Kurt actually just pulled in right behind us. We're on site now. You're going to remember this property once I bring you around. Going to get what we need down to the site. Going to be the yard max full of concrete. Got the cement mixer here. It's just a small 11-foot section of Belgian block. Then we got a tarp and put down red rock. So let's get down there. So you remember a couple weeks back we were here to do this drainage swale. Grass is starting to grow. It's been very dry, so I'm not surprised that that's not fully in yet. But task at hand, where these natural boulders and leftover Unilock bricks are, in the corner there, all of these rocks, Belgian block and a slight curve to the wall. Fill this with redstone. Nice and easy, nice and quick. So the guys are working on getting those Unilock pieces and stones out of that bed. I'm gonna go get the Belgian block, and then we'll take all of that leftover material. It's just going to the back behind the shed. Nothing special, but I'm gonna make my slow way up there with the yard max. That is the one downfall of this machine. It's quite slow, but it's better than doing it with a wheelbarrow. Belgian blocks loaded. So on average, you get about a foot per Belgian block. They're not a foot long, but with spacing and everything, you tend to get about a foot per block. Now this is an 11-foot span. We bought 15 blocks just in case. So let me get these down there. Kurt and Fitz made quick work pulling all the stuff out of this bed. A lot more stuff in there than you think. So we're gonna get all this Belgian block unloaded, load this stuff up, get it out of here. And then we can start planning out where this Belgian block is actually going to go. So before these guys get too far, I should get it on film. Kurt's basically got our curve dug, so we're going to start right at the corner of the deck stairs. Curve right down into the retaining wall down here. Fitz is laying out tarp, and I got one more load of stone to go. It's getting hot. Today's going to be 90. We got a big thunderstorm coming in later. Finally, we need some rain, but it's humid, it's hot. Let's get going before it gets too hot. Alright, this is last load, number 3, going out. The dump spot is getting tight, so I had to unload the last load, and I'm going to have to unload this one by hand. And then it's time to install some Belgian block. Alright, last load is dumped, and the majority is tarped. We're not going to tarp that last section until we get the Belgian block in, so we actually have something to stop up against. Something I want to mention, we've been trying out these flex hoses, or whatever you want to call them, the little shrinky hoses. You know, you add water pressure to them and they expand, but when there's no water pressure in them, they coil back up. We do have some heavy-duty Goodyear rubber hoses, but that's a lot to carry down here. You can pick up 2 of these and like hold them in your hand basically. So they save space, and we'll see how durable they are. This does feel like a better brand. They do have the shut-off valve, so there's 2 of them here. Probably didn't need 2, but yeah, it is nice that they have the shut-off valves built in. And they do unscrew from that, so they're hoses on their own, but then the shut-off valve actually came with them. So good water pressure here at this house though. But we are using today, this is something special. We're using fast setting concrete. And can you tell me why it's limited edition? I mean, the bag is like camo. Oh, client's getting the good stuff today, limited edition. So Memorial Day was last week, so, or this week, on Monday, so getting the good stuff. All right, we're gonna start mixing up some concrete and get some Belgian blocks set. Should go quick. All right, I'm gonna start mixing up some concrete. Kurt's gonna be block buddy, and Fitz is gonna help with the concrete moving. So I'm just gonna throw you up on time lapse since it's not gonna be too fun to watch this at normal speed. So Belgian block is in, and now we're going up to the truck. Nobody wants to push the heavy cement mixer up the hill on the 90-degree day, so that's how you get it done. Work smart, not hard. Fitz is gonna get the yard max unloaded there, and I'm gonna bring the dump truck down so we don't have to make all those trips with the yard max. That is the one good thing about it being super dry out, is that the ground hardens up pretty well. This property in particular looks like it does get pretty wet, so bring this on down there. Nice red rock. So I know in a previous video I had said that we were going to be selling this, and I put in the captions, no we're not, no we're not. Well, this is kind of half the reason why. We don't have the dump trailer here today, clearly, but the fact that I can get this truck down just mere feet from where the stone needs to go without driving on the patio or anything, it just makes life really easy. The truck only weighs like, oh, that's nice. The truck only weighs like 7,500 pounds, so it's really light, and it just doesn't do damage to lawn like, you know, the dump trailer itself is like 4,500 pounds, 5,000 pounds, plus my truck, the whole truck and trailer combo scales at like 14,500, 15,000 pounds. So let's get this filled up with some stone. Let's see if 23% battery gets us done. It's done. Looks really nice. Looks a lot better than it did. Nice curve on that Belgian block. A little seed and straw to wrap it up. Wet everything down. Everybody laughs when I wash stone. They said, you don't need to water that. It's got dust all over it, so you wash that off just so it doesn't look so dusty. And then when it dries, it looks like it's gonna look when it's, you know, fully installed. So another job well done. It's a short one for you, but once again, it's one of the things we do. It's a Friday. Great job to end the week. So from all of us here at NK, I want to wish you a happy weekend. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. If you don't want to do that, then don't do that. But see you on the next one.